Today we are demonstrating a development of the face. The structures marked are: the number 1 is the mandibular process, the number 3 is the medial nasal process, the number 4 is the hyoid arch, the number 5 is the maxillary process, the number 6 is the mandibular arch, the number 7 is the lateral nasal process, number 8 is the third pharyngeal arch, and number 9 is the eye. Number 10 is the frontal region. Number 11 is the pinna, and number 12 is the external auditory meatus. Starting with the development of the face develops from the 5 mesodermal processes that appear in the 4th week of intrauterine life surrounding the stomatodium. These processes are the frontal process, which is unpaired and forms the forehead, maxillary process, which is paired and forms the upper lip, mandibular process, which is paired and forms the lower lip and the chin. The mesoderm surrounding the stomatodium thickens and produces these processes on the surface ectoderm. The steps in the development of the face are: in the 4th week of intrauterine life, the stomatodium is bounded cranially by the bulging forebrain vesicle and caudally by the first pharyngeal or the mandibular arch. In the 5th week of intrauterine life, mesoderm covering the bulging forebrain vesicle proliferates to form the frontonasal process. On the frontonasal process, bilateral localized oval thickening appears as a nasal placoid or olfactory placoids on either side of the median plane. On the olfactory placoids, depression called nasal pit or olfactory pit develops.
Development of the nasal pit and nasal processes. The maxillary process develops from cranial side of dorsal part of first pharyngeal arch. The maxillary process grows medially and finally fused with the medial nasal process and later with lateral nasal process. Lateral and cranial to the nasal placoids, a pair of lens placoids appears. Continuous growth of the nasal process elevates bridge of the nose. Fusion of medial nasal process form the intermaxillary segment. This segment form placoid philtrum, middle part of the upper lip, premaxillary part of the maxilla and primitive plate. The entire upper lip is being formed by the maxillary process. The middle part of the upper lip formed by the fusion of the medial nasal process is covered by the medially growing extension of the maxillary process. Lateral nasal process form the ala of the nose. Stomatodium get separated from precardial bulge by first maxillary arch and later by the other arch. Mandibular process form the lower lip, chin and also contribute in the formation of cheek.